tourism does not benefit the average Jamaican. The average Jamaican not even have the money to go at them place there. The average Jamaican have to deal with the fact that 98% of the beaches them in them own a country, them not have access to. Them have to pay money to go at them own a beach. While the same hotel them, the same all inclusive them we will tell on enough stay. We tell enough stay at the locally owned hotels them or book a Airbnb. We no still go at the all inclusive hotels them that literally gentrify, them cut way, them black way off of the beaches them, and they have destroyed thousands on top of thousands of jobs. Where them say, and then them come give a like a 50 jobs, 100 jobs there and tell the government and things, say, yeah, you go hold a little piece and we're gonna create like couple hundred jobs for your people them and you go alright. Couple hundred jobs compared to the thousands of jobs what we did have before. And the fishermen them we can't have access to them own waters them.